I have shown you disc type of valve fitted in the central air conditioning chilled water pipeline. The another valve is of this type, that is gate valve. It is damaged earlier and was repaired long back, and the pipes are lying as it is. And the chamber, you can see the service chamber is here. The similar service chamber that already I have shown you in the previous video. The more service chambers associated with the chilled water pipeline that is going to different locations in the campus. So now we will go closer to the system. As you can see, the welding machine, the gas cylinder for welding purpose, and the defective valve they have removed. Already they have removed. This is 350 mm diameter pipeline valve. This valve is gate valve type of device, and here is the spindle and the bonnet and disc, and again some safety channels are provided for the safety purpose. And you can see the pipeline here. The same pipeline is coming, and I am sorry, in the previous video I have told the diameter was 300. Actually this is 350 as confirmed by the service engineer. The worker was not knowing the correct diameter, so service engineer told me that diameter is 350 mm and thickness of this pipeline is 8 millimeters. As you can see, the pipe are coming from the same location. This was far away from that side, from our computer center building to our Southern Labs laboratory near CCD canteen. The chamber opened from here, and the valve was fitted earlier here, and now after removing the valve they have fixed it with an additional ring. Oh no, the valve was removed from somewhere else, and this is the cut point. They will fix valve here. I am not able to trace inside from where the valve was, defective valve was removed, but they have opened a new position to operate and to fix the new valve. The pipeline is cut at two places. This piece will be removed from here, and then the valve was fitted at this point and then welded. This is the service line inside view of the chamber. The whole chamber is bricked from inside and properly floored at the bottom, and the insulation. And the other view of the chamber can be had from this side.